Okay guys, so this is the pattern that I originally started with. It is a basic maxi dress pattern that I have altered to fit me. As you can see, there's a small curve, indent curve, and then it comes out. It comes in just enough to hug my hips, and it comes out just enough to have walking room. Because I wanted two different styles on each side of the dress, I couldn't cut it on the fold. I had to put it together. I'll show you what I mean. This is what I meant when I said I had to put two of them together. You can see on the left side is the original pattern, and on the right side there is a different style there. So I won't be able to cut this on the fold. And now I'll show you all the pattern pieces together. What I basically did was tape both sides down the middle. This is all the pattern pieces. I know the arm sleeves are different, but that is definitely for a reason. So now I will go into cutting the fabric. This is how my pieces will be laid out on the pattern, and then I have that whole other side to do that. I am using the front and the back. I'm using the same pattern for the front and the back, but there is some advice I would like to give you. Because I'm using the front and the back, the same pattern piece for the front and the back, you want to make sure that the armholes match. Usually when you have a pattern, the back piece armhole is different from the front piece armhole. So as you can see here, when I line this up here and line that up there, they match. When you flip it over to the, which will be on the back side, you have to make sure that it is exactly the same. And here's an example. This part of it is down versus this part, which is higher. So one is made for the back. Let me get a closer view. Oops, sorry. One is made for the back, one is made for the front. You find out which one is made from the front, and you make it even. Okay guys, so this is what the pattern pieces look like all cut out. Now let's take this baby to the machine.
We are going to be unboxing today, so let's get started.
So guys, right here I am serging the side seams as well as the armholes using my serger. And to finish the bottom hem and the neckline, I use my cover stitch. Later on, I will do a video to show you what my machines do. Until then, au revoir, enjoy.
Get you addicted, get you addicted. Call it cooking, we ain't cooking in the kitchen, but we stirring at the pot, babe. It's like you took a sniff.